In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export a video in CapCut for TikTok. So I'm going to cover the dimensions and aspect ratio you need to use, then I'll show you quickly how you can export it as well. So what you first need to do is open up a new clip on CapCut and then drag your clip in. Now once your clip's in, you can edit it, but what I would recommend you do first before making any edits, make sure you click on the black space and not on your video. And then this will give you the option to scroll through the bottom slider, and from here we can go to the aspect ratio button, and you just need to make sure that you're not on any original or any 16:9. You want to be on 9:16. You can see it's got the TikTok logo in it. You can resize your clip to match this new aspect ratio if it already wasn't on that, but click on the check in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're on this format, click export in the top right hand corner, and then it will export your TikTok video to your photos. You can share it to TikTok direct here, but what I would recommend is manually upload it to TikTok. You'll find it here in your photos, and you can see here it is in TikTok format. We could now upload this. So that is how I would do it. Thank you for watching.